Sometimes we all just feel tired. There are moments when everything seems exhausting and all we want is to do nothing but read. If you find yourself lacking energy and motivation, remember that it's okay to step back and take a break. While many of us seek tips on how to stay productive during these low points, the truth is that sometimes the best thing you can do is the opposite. Slow down, be gentle with yourself, and allow yourself to heal. Don't pressure yourself to get everything in order. Simply allow yourself to be. If you're feeling this way, it might be because you have high expectations for yourself and are frustrated that you haven't met them. Or maybe others have set those expectations and you feel overwhelmed by trying to live up to them. Sometimes it's just a matter of taking on too much and burning out. Other times we feel this way because the world doesn't match our expectations, leaving us feeling lost and out of control. The pandemic and the harsh realities of society can also contribute to this sense of exhaustion. We've been operating too much in our masculine energy, focusing on productivity, achievement, and control. Now, our bodies and minds are signaling that it's time to surrender to our feminine energy, to go inward, slow down, heal, and love ourselves. Surrender is key here. We need to release our need for control and the expectations we place on ourselves and accept who we are in this moment. It's a difficult yet simple concept. Letting go requires no action, just inaction. So, what should you do when you feel like doing nothing? First, let yourself rest. Remove any pressure to be or do anything and simply exist. Understand that you likely feel burnt out, so give your body and mind the time they need to recover. It's almost magical that when you're unwell, the best thing you can do is nothing. Your body knows how to heal itself if you just allow it. Next, give yourself love. Be kind and gentle with yourself, no matter what. Practice unconditional love, accepting yourself exactly as you are right now, without forcing anything. And if you've been hard on yourself, practice self-forgiveness. Often, we feel low because we're concentrating on the wrong things. I've learned that when we focus on what's difficult, we feel like giving up. But when we focus on what's easy, it becomes easier to navigate tough times. Instead of dwelling on what's going wrong, focus on what's going right. This shift in perspective can make a significant difference in how we feel. If you need more support, talk to someone you trust. We all need a support system for our mental health. You might also consider online therapy. I've personally used BetterHelp for the past couple of years, and it's been helpful. Lastly, stop consuming content that makes you feel worse. This includes content that causes you to compare yourself to others, or even positive content that might remind you of what you're not able to do right now. Sometimes, it's okay not to have a positive mindset about everything. Just allow yourself to feel whatever it is you're feeling. If you want a quick refresh, spend some time in nature. Being in nature can heal you on a spiritual level, reminding you of the peace and stillness in the world. It doesn't have to be a major trip. Even a walk outside or a visit to a nearby park can help you reconnect with that sense of calm. Understand that life happens in cycles, just like the day, the moon, and the seasons. Change is the only constant. So whatever you're going through, know that it will pass. Embrace the highs and lows of life, as they allow you to appreciate each moment more deeply. When you're ready to take action again, start small. Release any expectations or pressure and break down your tasks into tiny, manageable steps. Celebrate those small victories and be gentle with yourself. Finally, practice gratitude. Take time to reflect on the little things you're grateful for. This simple act can shift your focus and improve your mood. Remember, it's okay to do nothing and be gentle with yourself. Life will continue to move forward even if you take a break. Trust that your intuition will guide you when the time is right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Can you surrender and flow with ease? Can you release your expectations? Sending you love on your journey.